The potato battery myth versus reality. Can a potato really light a bulb? Science constantly amazes us. But have you ever thought that the potato we eat every single day in our meals could turn into a living power plant or a source of electricity? Yes, you heard that right. It is actually possible to light an electric bulb using a simple potato. You might have seen thousands of such videos on the internet claiming that a potato can light up big bulbs or even charge a mobile phone. But what is the real truth behind this? Is it just a magic trick, or is there pure science hidden behind it? In today's video, we will not only perform this experiment live, but will also uncover the true scientific mystery behind it with actual facts and reality. So let's get started.
To perform this incredible experiment right at home, we do not need many complex items. We will only need a few simple components. First, 2 or 3 large, fresh potatoes. Second, a copper strip or coin, which will serve as the source of copper and act as the positive terminal. Third, a zinc nail or galvanized nail, which is a shiny iron nail coated with zinc, acting as the negative terminal. Fourth, connecting wires or copper wires to allow the electricity to flow. Fifth, a small LED bulb of 1.5 to 3 volts. And sixth, a multimeter to measure the voltage inside the potatoes.
Now, let's move on to the core process. Watch closely as we transform a simple potato into a battery. First, place 2 potatoes side by side. Insert a zinc nail into one side of the first potato and a copper coin or wire into the other side. Remember, the 2 metals must not touch each other inside. Follow the exact same step for the second potato by inserting a nail and a copper coin into it. Now comes the real game. To increase the electrical power, we need to connect the 2 potatoes in a series configuration. Tightly tie the copper wire of the first potato to the zinc nail of the second potato. Now we are left with the zinc nail of the first potato, which is negative, and the copper coin of the second potato, which is positive. The moment we connect these 2 ends to the positive and negative legs of a small LED light, look at that! The light glows with a soft illumination.
What intense excitement! The light is on. But how did the potato generate electricity? Was there electricity hidden inside the potato? The answer is no. The potato itself does not produce electricity. What is actually happening here is called an electrochemical cell, or a chemical battery in the language of science. The real game is not being played by the potato, but by the 2 metals we used, copper and zinc. Potatoes contain a large amount of phosphoric acid and water, which acts as an excellent electrolyte or liquid conductor. When we insert zinc and copper into the potato, a chemical reaction starts between them. Electrons are released from the zinc nail and begin rushing toward the copper plate through the acid inside the potato. According to the laws of science, this flow of electrons is what we call electricity or current. Here, the potato merely acts as a medium or a bridge, providing a pathway for the electrons to travel from one side to the other. Now, let's talk about some realistic facts. Many people on the internet show that a single potato can spin a large house fan, run a television, or charge an iPhone. These are completely fake and are just a game of video editing or tricks. The reality is that a single potato yields only about 0.5 to 0.9 volts of electricity, which is extremely low. The amount of current is so minuscule that while it can light up a tiny LED bulb, charging a mobile phone or powering a large bulb is impossible. If you want to charge a smartphone, you would need to connect about 100 to 120 potatoes in a series connection, which is neither cost-effective nor practical.
So what did we learn from today's video? Even though a potato does not directly generate electricity, it beautifully demonstrates an extraordinary principle of science right before our eyes. It is a wonderful example of how energy transformation can be achieved using natural elements. To nurture a scientific mindset in young children at home, you can try this simple experiment today. How did you like the video? Did you know about this potato magic before? Do let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And to watch more such exciting, scientific, and informative videos, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video with another new mystery and science. Until then, stay well, stay healthy. Thank you.